Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Mind. We are in the Python series, which is the basic Python for the beginners, and I already posted the 3 videos. If you haven't watched the past videos, please go and watch it now, and then let's continue this video. Because in past video I already explained how to take the input and display the output to the console in Python, and also I discussed with the operators in Python, and I discussed the 2 operators in detail, that is arithmetic operator and relational operator. The third operator we will continue here, that is the logical operator, which is also called as a Boolean operators. Before going to start with today's video, I would like to tell you one point, that I am giving you the handwritten notes currently, but after completing the operator, means up to operator, I will first complete, and then I will give you the practical session as well regarding all the handwritten notes I had given to you. Like I will explain each and every statement what I had given in the handwritten note while doing the practical. So let's begin with the today's operator, that is the logical operator or Boolean operators. So as you can see that logical operator are of 3 types: AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. So the return value of these logical operator are always a Boolean value. In the previous video I also told that here it is the relational operator, also the output is the Boolean value. So in logical operator we must have to know about the relational operator. So first of all I will tell you, little recap of the relational operator. So here I am defining the 2 variables, that is A and B. So A contains the value 10 and B contains the value 5. So now I am checking with the relational operator, is A is greater than B, means is 10 is greater than 5. Yes, the condition is true, so it will return the true as an output. So now I want to convert this relational operator into a logical operator. So to do that one, I am defining one more variable, that is C, in which I am storing a value of 100. Now I am using the first logical operator, that is the AND operator. So AND operator is used here as a connection between this statement and this statement. So this statement contains one relational operator and this statement contains the another relational operator, and both are connecting by the AND operator. So first we will see this statement, that is C is greater than A. So C contains what? 100. 100 is greater than the 10. Yes, 100 is greater than 10. So this statement implies to be a true. So now true, and now we are evaluating the second statement, that is 100 is greater than 5. So yes, 100 is greater than 5. So this statement also true. So true and true will implies to be true. So how the true and true implies to be true? So we can see this by the AND truth table. Okay, as you can see it here. So true and true is true. So and in AND operation, if both these statements are true, then it will return the true. And if one of the statement is true and another one is the false, then it will return a false. Whether it is here false or here first statement is false or the second statement is false, if any one of the statement is false, then AND operator will return the false. And if both are the false, then AND operator will return the false. Okay. So based on this, I can give you one point to be remembered, that if AND operation is true only if both these statements are true, then only the AND operation will return the true. Otherwise in all other cases it will return the false. Whether both are false or any one of the statement is false, the AND operation will give you the false. Please focus on my words, what I am telling to you. So another example of this AND operator is, if A is greater than B. So what is A? A is 10, 10 is greater than 5. Yes, this statement is true. So if this statement is true, then only we will proceed to the next statement, because AND operation will contain, will give you the true only if both the statements are true. Like if here I had gotten the false, then no need to check the rest one, because in AND operation any one of the statement is false, it will return false. So if like here for example, if A is less than B and A is greater than C. Let's consider this as a statement, right? So now 10 is less than B, that is 10 is less than 5. No, this is false. If this statement is false and here is the AND operation, we don't need to check this statement, because if any one of the false in the AND operation, it will return to the false. So definitely the output will be false and we don't need to execute this statement, right? So as here it is true, so first statement is true, then we need to check the another statement. If this statement is also true, then AND operation will return the true, otherwise it will return the false. So now we are checking that A is greater than C. So 10 is greater than 100. No, this condition, this statement is false. So true and false is false. So our output will be your false. Fine. So hope you understand that AND operator. Now coming to the next logical operator, that is the coming to the next logical operator is the OR operator. So before going to the OR operator, just see the OR truth table as well. So in OR truth table, we are seeing that if any one of these statement is true, then OR operator will return the true, and if both are false, then only it will return the false. These are the basic like AND and OR everyone knows. So if first statement is true and the second statement is false, and OR operation will return the true, because if any one is true, then it will return a true. Again the first statement is false and the second statement is true, then OR operation will return a true. So the third one is, if both these statements are true, definitely OR will return the true. But if both these statements are false, then it will return the false. So in AND operation, if any of these statement is false, it will return a false, but in OR table, if any of these statement is true, it will return the true. Okay, if both are true in AND and OR, it will return the true. Now coming to the example of OR logical operator, that is A is greater than B and A is less than C. So first of all, A, what is A? A value is 10, B value is 5, C value is 100. So A is your 10, 10 is greater than 5, yes, it is true. So this statement is true. Now any one of the statement is true, it will not check this statement and it will directly print that the output is true. Now check it this as well. A is greater than C. A is 10 is greater than 100. Is 10 is greater than 100? No, this statement is false. So true or false? True or false? What it returns? That is the true, right? So the output is true. Now coming to the 4 expressions. Okay, there are 3 OR operators and 4 statements are there. Okay. Now first is B is greater than A. Is 5 is greater than A? 5 is greater than 10. So this is false. Or A is greater than C. It is false. That's why we are checking for the next one. Okay. Otherwise, if it is true, if any one of the it is true, then OR operation will definitely give you true. So we don't need to check the another one. But here it is first one is false. So I need to check the another one. So now A, that is 10 is greater than 100. No, this statement is also false. Now B is greater than C, that is 5 is greater than 100. No, this statement is also false. Now C is equals to 0. No, 100 is not equals to 0. So this statement is also false. So as each and every one is false, like false or false is a false. So this will return the false, this whole statement. This whole statement will return the false, right? This whole statement will return the false. Now false or false, false or false, again this statement, this whole statement and this whole statement will return the false, right? So now this OR operator, so false or false, like false or false, it will return the false. So our output will be your false, right? Now coming to the and the OR operation combination. Okay, currently now we have seen the and OR separately. Now in the combination, so whenever we are using the and OR in the combination, we must have to use a bracket, because bracket will give you the priority. So see here, C is less than A, here A is 10, B is 5 and C is 100. Okay, initially we have defined it here. we have defined it here, right? Now we will continue with this one. So C is less than A or C is greater than B. So here this is the bracket, so obviously the first priority will be given to this one, right? So it is given the first priority, so I will check, that is 100 is greater than 5. Yes, this statement is true. Now AND operation is there, so definitely if one is true we need to check the another one. If one is false, then no need to check the another one, but first is true, so we need to check the another one. Now 5 is greater than A. Is 5 is greater than 10? No, this statement is false. So true and false will return the false. Okay, so it will return your false here. Okay, it will return the false. So now that is, this statement is false. Okay, now C is less than A. Is 100 is less than 10? No, this is also false. So false or false, this whole statement will return the false. Okay, so this whole statement from here to here, it had returned the false. Now we have to check with the another OR. Is 10 is greater than 5? Yes, this statement is true. So false or true? So false or true, it will return the true. So output is your true. Got my point? The another example of the same one is, this is one bracket, this is another bracket. So first of all we will calculate the bracket one and then this one. So C is less than A. Is 100 is less than 10? It's false. So it is false here. Now we need to check for the another one. Now 100 is less than 5? No, false. So both are false. So false or false is false. So this whole statement will return you the false, right? Now coming to the next one is that B is greater than A. So 5 is greater than 10, right? It's false. This statement is also false. Or A is greater than B. Yes, this is true. 10 is greater than 5. So this whole statement is your true. So in AND operation, if any one of these statement is false, it will return the false. So false and true is your false in AND operation, right? Now the next one is the NOT operator. So NOT operator, it will convert the true into false and false into true. So NOT operator will convert the true into false and false into true. False into true. Okay, that is NOT of true, this is NOT of false. Okay, so NOT operator. So here I had written it, what will be executed first. So here the bracket is there, so first this OR will be executed, then there is another bracket, this OR will be executed, then this AND will be executed, and then this NOT will be executed. So this is the number of execution which will execute after which one. Okay, so C is less than A, that is the 100 is less than 10. Is it true? False. So if it is false, we need to check for the another one, that is 100 is less than B. No, 100 is not less than 5, so it is also false. So the whole output of this OR is your false one, right? Coming to this one, that is 5 is greater than A? No, this is also false. A is greater than B? This is true. Okay, so the OR operation, the output of this OR will be your true, right? So now false and true will be your false. So the output of this whole one will be your false. Okay, this will be your false. So NOT of false, that is NOT of false is your true, so the output is true. Okay, so in the same way this is there, like this whole come to be true, and if we place the NOT before that also, so fourth one, fifth one, this will be executed. Okay, so here the output is true. Again NOT of true, that is this whole output just now we had calculated, same way, same what I had written here, that is this output is your true. So NOT of true, what will be the NOT of true? That is false, so the output is false. One important point to be here is that the priority, there is a priority table for each and every operator, like arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator. There is a priority in, if the combination of all the four comes, means like there is an statement and in there is arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, and then is the bitwise operator, then which operator will be executed first. So there is a precedence table, there is a also called as a priority table. Based on the priority, we will execute the operator first, followed by the other which is of lower priority. So that precedence or priority table I will show you after I will complete all the operators. But in this logical operator, the priority is given higher to the not operator, then is the AND operator, and then is the OR operator. This is the key point for the today's video. So hope so you understood this logical operator concept. So thank you for watching the video till here. If you like the video, do like, comment your doubts, share with your friends, and most important, subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.